Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love my Dash toaster oven so much that I wanted to share some of its great features with you. Even though this is a very compact toaster, it really packs a lot of punch with everything that it does. I really hate a big toaster oven because they tend to take up a lot of room on the counter, even though they're kind of very necessary. However, this one is really awesome because it measures only 11 by 15 by 8. But yet it heats up super well and it still has the capacity to hold a lot inside. You could easily put 4 slices of toast in here or a small frozen pizza with no problem. It also heats up very quickly and it toasts perfectly. So another thing that always has given us a lot of problems in our home is when toast burns, but this one is probably one of the best toaster ovens that we have used. The handle to open it makes it very easy so that you can easily open the toaster oven without burning your hands. And all of the features on the dials are easy to figure out and it just functions really well. If you're looking for a great toaster oven that really does the work for you without overtaking your entire kitchen area, this is a great option for you. You'll guaranteed be really happy and pleased with it. But that's my point of view.